Hey, what's up everybody? This is twitch.tv/VenomousNinetails. I'm your host Josh, coming out with another YouTube video on how to set things up for my Twitch stream. I'm gonna go right here to my gaming scene where we have my social media rotator. Honestly, this could be a hell of a lot better. We have my sub goal counter. And we have my tip/dono goal. Here we have my Genshin screen. As you see, it's a window capture. I created a new scene called Genshin Impact, and we capture Genshin Impact.exe :Genshin Impact. Here we're creating a new window capture. And it has to be like 1920 by 1080. Don't know why it's like not conforming correctly. What the? So we're gonna go to Genshin Impact. Shit. Oh, now it's saying Hoyo first instead of Mihoyo Limited. I actually like that touch shows the direction Mihoyo is going in. Program to respond. Hopefully it loads in. So ideally I would like if I can get like a shave sponsorship from like, you know, Club Circle, One Touch, or Manscaped. Let's get into Genshin. Hopefully there's not too much spam that gets in the way. Probably go to mihoyo.com later. Find my primos. Reloading. As you can see right here, my lower screen is displaying it. My top is not. We're gonna go into settings. We're gonna go into graphics. And then we're gonna do windowed mode. Any windowed mode is fine. Go down to 720. There we go. Now that's in 720. We bring it back up to 1080p, full screen. 60 FPS. That's how you act. And that's all in this tutorial, guys.